Hi everyone, it's the 27th of August 2013 and I'm atop some mountains in Mestia in the region of Svaneti, Georgia. I got lost on a trail, but I found something even better. Look at these views, wow. I was attempting to find my way up to a cross on top of the hill that you might be able to see in the distance. Anyway, it's basically straight ahead there. But I went on another trail and I got to where I am now, and it's pretty cool. Just as beautiful. I mean, just seeing the surrounding region from a different angle. And I can't complain about what I'm seeing, so yeah.